is about exploring the kinesphere. You are going to use your right arm and your right leg. We're going to start by stepping forward on our right leg and rising up onto our toe. Step forward and rise up onto the toe. So right leg, forward, onto the toe. When we do that, we're going to bring our right arm up to the sky. Up to the sky. And it's important that we bring our arm nice and high because we're exploring the high part of our personal space. Up to the sky. Up to the sky. Whoop. And we always come back to neutral every time. Up to the sky. The next time you do it, you're going to go up to the sky and low to the ground. So we're using our right leg again, we're stepping it back and we're bending right into that leg and making sure it goes down to the ground. Up, high, down, low. One more time. Up, high, down, low. Make sure you're always using your right arm and your right leg. Okay, so we're going to go up, high, down, low, back to neutral. Ready? Here we go. Again. Okay, so that's your high to low swing. Now we're going to try going, again using our right arm and our right leg. We are going to go left. We're exploring as far as that arm can reach. So pretend that you're reaching for something that's over there. Reach. And I'm just crossing over my leg. Again, my right leg. Cross. Cross. And reach. Lovely. I'm going to start here because I need to make sure I've got enough space to reach my arm out. So I'm going to cross and reach that way. Cross and reach. Again, cross and reach. So we're going from left personal space here to the right personal space over there. One more time. We go left, right, and return to neutral. And what we're trying not to do is we're trying not to turn our body. Because as soon as we turn our body, that's our front space. We want to keep our body facing towards the front. Let's try that together. Right space. Finally, we've done high, low, left, right. What's missing? Front and back. And we start with the back first, so we go back to front. Now we're not going to turn our body to the back because then that would be in front of us. So we're going to use the space behind us without turning our body. So we're going to reach for something under our arm, reaching behind us like that. You can use this arm, put this arm just there so it's not in the way. Reach with your right arm. So with this arm, reach. And it might help to put your leg back as you reach. Reach. Okay, so we're reaching our right arm behind us. Reach. And then we step forward with our right leg and reach forwards. So that last one is forwards. And it's like you're reaching for something. You're reaching for something way in front. Reach. So we're reaching behind and then in front. Ready? Cross your arm over. Reach behind and front. So again, pretend there's something behind you that you're reaching for. Reach for it and reach for it. Okay. Why don't we try all of them and return to neutral every time after each set. Let's do that together. Remember, you'll need lots of space around you to do this. Starting with high to low. Right leg, right arm. Up and down. Back to neutral. Try with me. Reach and reach. Back to neutral. Cross the arm over. Reach and reach. If you need to have another go back to the start of the video. Remember, it's really important that you use your right arm and your right leg.